Hello everybody, so this is Mr. Aaron and I'm just here to go over today's homework for your website. So we are going to go to the home page, and as you can see here, so let's take a quick look. Here's the social studies that we did, and we're now on our home page. So what you need to do today is you need to upload a picture of you. So I'm going to go here. Again, you can do it this way, double click that, or you can hit insert image, and then I'm going to upload it. And I put it here. So here is a picture of me and our old puppy dog. And we have to do fun facts about you. So, 5 fun facts about me. Okay, and this is a title, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to make this size a little bit bigger. Let's try 24. Sure. Highlight. And I will put it in the middle. All right, now I have to do 5 fun facts. So number 1, I love to camp and hike. Number 2, I love being a teacher for my crazy students. Number 3, I am very happy to be in Taiwan. Number 4, I used to be a stand-up comedian. And number 5 is I love to play basketball and cornhole. Okay, so there are 5 fun facts about me. I added my picture. I have my 5 fun facts about me. So what do I need to do? So just a reminder, I need to publish. So I hit publish, and then I hit publish here. And to share it, I had a student ask me today, how do I share that? They forgot. You come up here and you click this button. So you can look up at the top here, share with others. And then, I'm going to share with myself. So see ran, I will share it with myself. Say, here is my 5 fun facts. And there we go. So I shared it with myself. I updated it. Now let's take a quick look. So remember, if you go up here, it says preview. So I go up here and, sorry, that's the wrong button. And I preview it. This is what it will look like if I'm seeing my website. So you can see over here, there's the drama. Here is social studies. Yeah, we did that. Here's ELA, and here is Taiwan. Now remember, you need to add 3 pictures also of Taiwan, and then 1 or 2 sentences with each picture. That's it. So Taiwan is a great place to live. Here's a picture of Taipei at night. It's very beautiful. Below is an image of CKS in Taipei. It's a very nice place to visit with your family. Taiwan is great. So I need to add 1 more picture. So let's go up here and find a picture of Taiwanese night market. So as we all know, the night markets here are amazing. So I will use one of these pictures. I will save it. Go here and Taiwanese night market. Okay, so I saved it. Now I'm going to go back to my site and I'm going to insert another one right here. Oh, sorry, I got to get out of preview. And no, let's go down here. No. So I'm going to insert the spread right here. And I'm going to insert a, I don't want to insert that. Why is it like this right now? So let's go back, on, there we go. Okay, So insert an image. I will upload it from the computer. Go here and Taiwanese night market. Then down here, I'm going to put a couple words and say Taiwan has some famous and amazing night markets. They have tons of food. All right. And of course, again, you hit publish again. If you would like to share, you share it right here. So let's check. Yep, got all of mine finished. Okay, and that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. All right, have a good night.